Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'm educating the public on how to confirm a payment once made on PayPal so that to facilitate a release of the cash that has been held by PayPal, I'll be taking you one-on-one. So as you can see in my tutorial, I have $480 that is on hold. This is a client who just paid me. I did a service to them and they paid me, but the cash is on hold. So what we'll be doing, we will come and confirm the payment so that people may reduce the number of waiting hours for them to release this cash that is on hold. So the very first thing that will come here will come and will be able. But if you have delivered service or goods to a client, ensure the first thing that you send them an invoice. In the invoice, put as much description as possible. This makes it safe for you because you will be able to, in case of a dispute, people will have adequate details to address you. We can see this type of a transaction is a transaction that has been made for friends and family. So we'll come here and we'll see that the cash has been held for 24 hours. So we are taking closer look at the payment. It's required for some payments and normally take 3 business days. Don't ship until we tell you it's okay. So we'll come here and we'll be able to confirm we'll be able to we can see the PayPal is verified. So we'll come here and try to confirm the payment. So in confirming of payment, we'll come here and say add in a tracking information. When it comes tracking information here, we will update that the order has been processed. Then it will give us an option here. If it was a good that I had delivered to the client, I would have and I used a tracking number, I would fill the tracking number here. The safety of this is that even if the client is some weird clients go and raise a dispute, they have a tracking number, so they'll not be able to win the dispute at all. It might take 10 days before people makes a decision, but they will make the decision in favor for the seller. So our tutorial was focusing on confirming the payment so that the cash that has been held by PayPal, we may be able to we will reduce the number of hours that PayPal will be holding the cash so that they may release it to our balance. So we'll say tracking information not required. So because it was a service, I will be able to submit, and once we submit, it will be able to go through. So it will be able to go through. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. That is the way to confirm a PayPal transaction. Thank you.